Narcissists view partners as replaceable sources of attention. Their relationships lack genuine emotional connections. Love is not the foundation, but supply itself. They prioritize validation, power, and attention. Real emotional bonds hold little value for narcissists. Partners become tools for their personal gain. When needs are met, they seek new sources. Closure isn't about emotion, but rather utility. This cycle of using people perpetuates their behavior. Consequently, deceit becomes a means to an end. Continuously, they search for new validations. Ultimately, they find partners easily disposable. Such relationships focus more on self-serving needs. The concept of replaceability undermines true connection. Empathy is practically non-existent in these dynamics. Replaceability trumps lasting emotional bonds. Cheating is a reflection of this behavioral pattern. Narcissists manipulate environments to satisfy their ego. Partners may feel devoid of worth and importance. Authentic affection is overshadowed by calculated gain. Attachments dissolve the moment scarcity arises. New sources are pursued without remorse or guilt. Thus, fidelity is consistently compromised. The cycle of betrayal continues seamlessly. Genuine relationships are rare and fleeting. They remain driven by external reinforcements. Narcissists indirectly project their insecurities. Partners are simply part of a larger narrative. Emotional investment is minimal and superficial. Relationships serve more as conquests. The quest for more admiration is endless. Understanding this dynamic aids in recognizing patterns.